So, I was heating up leftovers the other day, and I caught myself staring at a roll of aluminum foil. And I thought, wait, what actually happens if you put foil in the microwave? Like, will it explode? Will the microwave catch fire? I had to find out. Okay, so here's the deal. Aluminum foil is a metal, no surprise there. And microwaves and metal? Not always a great mix. Microwaves work by bouncing electromagnetic waves off the walls of the oven, exciting water molecules in your food. But metal? It reflects those waves. And that's where it gets tricky. If you put a flat piece of foil in the microwave, it might actually be fine. Not recommended, but fine. The danger really comes from crumpled or sharp-edged foil. That's because sharp points can concentrate electrical energy, creating sparks called arcing. It's kind of like a mini lightning storm inside your microwave. And yeah, those sparks can damage your microwave, or worse, start fire. But here's the wild part. Some microwave-safe food containers actually have tiny bits of metal in them, like the lining on a popcorn bag. So it's not that metal always causes chaos. It's about how it's shaped and how it's used. So next time you're tempted to toss a foil-wrapped sandwich into the microwave, maybe unwrap it first. Your leftovers in your kitchen will thank you.